I'm a hybrid, cybernetic with a robot head. Handle my business till the end because tech gonna still hustle and win 11 championships like I'm Bill Russell. Was the best before, now I'm an ass load better. This entitles me to be the biggest asshole ever. And I figured out my homies are really only competitors. I'm taking on the role of the intellectual predator. I need a bunch of people criticizing and hating me like I took a vacation from being dope and amazing. But dope and amazing is hopeless when you're growing impatient and sick of no recognition and getting totally anxious. I'm saying everyone's an MC and it's pissing me off. And if this is the business model, then the business is flawed. This isn't a riddle, the listeners are listening wrong. I'm second guessing to the point where I can't finish the song. So fuck it, no longer doing it for money and fame. I'm in the game to entertain and to remain sane. And I'm losing, but I'm doing this so I don't change my mind. And feed you 7 Beretta so I can say you 8 9s. 7 Beretta so I can say you 8 9s. 7 Beretta so I can say you 8 9s. What you gon' do? I'll be free before 5 or 6. 157 Berettas, you 8 9. 7 Berettas so I can say you 8 9. 7 Berettas so I can say you 8 9.